I decided to do systems and control engineering at university because I did an A-level on it. And when I was looking around at universities, I was originally looking for electrical and electronics. And I came to University of Sheffield open day and I found the systems and control information desk. And I looked into it a bit more and found that it was what I was more interested in. And having done an A-level in it originally, then going on to a degree seemed quite logical. When I looked into other courses and other universities that offered systems and control, I found that while there was a few, there was nowhere else that had its own dedicated systems and control department. Sheffield is the only one in the UK. As part of my degree, I spent a year's industrial placement working for GlaxoSmithKline. I was working on their secondary manufacturing site up in Barnard Castle, and I was in the Capital Projects office. As part of my role, I got to go across the entire site, helping to install, commission and validate all new equipment coming onto site. This gave me access to all areas and meant I could see how my course related to industry and how the building management system, which is the main thing I was working on, could be used to control different pressures, monitor different bits of equipment, and the vital work it did in industrial manufacturing and in industry in general. In my third year of university, I took a module called Biomechatronics, and this has probably been my favourite module so far. 50% of the marks for the module was an individual project where we researched a different biomechatronics device, and I chose to look into visual prosthetics. And as part of this, I got to find out all the different types of visual prosthetics that are out there currently, how they work, how they're going to improve, what the current technology limitations are. And I got to look into where this technology could go into the future, and I found it really interesting just to be able to run with something that was completely my own and my own research and something I was genuinely interested in. When I graduate, I'd like to go and work in industry and work as an automation and controls engineer. I did this as part of my placement year and I really enjoyed where I was working and the type of work I was doing. I'd like to carry that on when I finish my degree. Having a degree from AXE will really help that, because all the controls aspects we learn on the course can then go forward and be used in industry, and I'll know how what I'm programming actually works, and I'll know more in depth of what the program's meant to do and what all the program blocks do and how they work. I really enjoy being an engineering student because I get to find out how things work and how systems work and how things are put together, and I've really enjoyed this. I used to enjoy it when I was really little, and now I get to do it as my degree and will go on to do it as my career.